Today, we're going to be answering the question, is it possible to do 100 hits on Amazon Mechanical Turk in one day? If you're interested, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a way to make money through Amazon, but with crowdsourcing. And crowdsourcing is basically different requesters who are trying to find people online who can do quick jobs for them. Jobs like this may include surveys, it may include odd tracing tasks or dictation. Sometimes it'll be you having to type in things that you see on receipts. Whatever it may be, it's just odd tasks that computers can't complete. And these are called human intelligence tasks. And so for today's challenge, I want to see if it's possible to do 100 hits in one day.
Challenge accepted.
Because I saw that the probation period that MTURK puts you on when you first sign up for the first 10 days only lets you complete up to 100 hits per day. And I wasn't sure if that was even possible, so today we're gonna find out. I'm going to take a few breaks here and there. I'm gonna have a lunch break, and I'm also gonna have a few breaks where I talk to the camera. So let's just jump right into it. It's about 10:30, and that's the great thing with Amazon Mechanical Turk is it's flex time. You can do work at whatever time of day you want. There are specific times throughout the day that are better for turking than others. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna download a plugin to make this challenge a little easier. And this plugin is called MTURK Suite. It's a Google Chrome plugin, and you just log into your MTURK account. And basically what it does is it'll give you a sound notification when there's a new hit. And plus, it keeps track of how many jobs you did in a single day. So it'll be really great for our purposes here today. Man, I'm a little worried about how long this challenge is gonna take. 1 minute, there we go. Accept. Boom, there we go. This is a 1-minute survey. It's probably gonna take 2 or 3 minutes. And how much does this pay? 15 cents. So the goal would be to just crush 100 of these. Another reason why I wanted to do this challenge is because my total completed hits is currently at 900 approved hits. And a big goal of mine is to get to 1,000 because you can make more money the more completed jobs you have under your belt. It's sort of like experience. So let's get going. That survey really was about a minute. So anyways, we're gonna keep grinding, but I wanna show you when you complete any sort of job on MTURK, especially surveys, you're gonna get a special completion code. It looks like this. You wanna copy that code, go back to your original tab, and paste that code where it asks for the secret key. That's how you get paid. There's also going to be some general questions sometimes at the bottom of these jobs. A lot of times they're demographic questions or they're asking for your preferences. And it's really important to always fill these out because it qualifies you for the higher paying jobs. All right, so just a quick update. I've done 5 jobs, but this is just the thing with MTURK. You have to read all the instructions really carefully because 2 out of those 5 jobs I wasn't able to submit. The first one, I missed the completion code. I just skipped right by it and I wasn't able to submit the completion code. The other thing that happened is my grandma called me, Turk, while I was on the phone, and I missed an attention check. So it's all right. Now what we're doing is just to keep grinding, we are sorting by the newest created hits. It shows you chronologically how recent everything was posted. And the more recent jobs tend to be some of the faster ones. So I like to use this strategy sometimes to just kind of scroll through and try to find ones that are gonna be fast, quick, and easy. It has been an hour and a half of turking. I'm officially at 20 completed turks for today. Let's go. I'm at about $6.18. So currently, it's a little less than $6 an hour at my current rate. Do you hear that? That's the sound that MTURK Suite makes when a new job pops into the system. It lets me know, which is really cool. I'm using that function for today. All right, let's go ahead and mute that though. Something that I am a little worried about is I finished all of the quick surveys. I've done most of the 5-minute surveys, 3-minute surveys, 1 question, 2 question surveys. I've done a lot of screeners. So basically what I'm saying is I've done the easy jobs that are available. We gotta kick it up a notch. All right, so here's a good few. Here's just a good few with 5 minutes. All right, let's do this marketing one. Go ahead and accept it. Ah, I don't qualify. The biggest thing with MTURK is there's a lot of jobs that you don't qualify for, and you spend a good portion of your time working just looking for jobs. Man, I gotta say, it's getting a little bit hard to find new jobs to do. This one looks good, but yeah, let's keep grinding. Oh, take this off. I was just feeling delirious. All right, it's been 2 hours of this MTURK challenge. I'm feeling a little tired, a little drained, but it's okay because I'm about to eat lunch, making some pasta. So hopefully this brings me back to life. So probably 3 or 4 hours left. Let's keep going. Since I'm doing MTURK for literally all day, it would be awesome if you guys could just go ahead and smash the like button, just decimate the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It'll make this day of pain be worth it. So thanks guys. Just a quick update, I think I found a batch. And what a batch means, it's when there's a simple task, not like a survey, but a task, and they have multiple jobs that you could keep completing over and over. So this might let me get, because right now I'm at 35, I was feeling the stress because there wasn't many new jobs coming through, there wasn't many good surveys, but this batch might be my saving grace. It's only a penny per task, but remember, I'm going for the number of completed jobs. I'm not just going for the amount of money I've earned. Although I will say, so far I'm at $9.03 that I've earned, which, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, just a quick check-in. We are at 60 completed hits. We only have 40 more to go. And honestly, we're cooking. This is something that I want to show you that you have to keep an eye out for on MTURK, is a lot of times they're going to give you a paragraph that looks like it might just be instructions and you might be tempted to just skip. But a lot of times there's a hidden attention checker in that paragraph. So like with this one, it says, in order to demonstrate you read the instructions, please select 2 as your answer. And stuff like this is just meant to weed out bots and people who aren't actually reading thoroughly. So make sure that you read everything really carefully so that you don't get rejected and that you don't get kicked out of these hits. Also, it's getting warm. Update, it's been 3 hours and we are at 88 completed hits. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the last 12. I'll check in with you guys as soon as I'm done. Almost done. 94 out of 100. All right, everyone, it has been 3.5 hours, and surprisingly, we are all done with the challenge. As you can see, for today, I've done 101 hits. I did 1 extra. I just thought I would. I've made $12.94. Now, I will say I did some batch work, and so if there are a few rejections, that is likely. I hope there's not, because every time you get a rejection, it's not good for your overall MTURK rating. I averaged $4.33 per hour doing MTURK. Really with MTURK, it comes down to being at the right place at the right time. Sometimes there will be jobs that pop up that are extremely well paying. There is good money to be made with MTURK, but on just an average day, spending a chunk of time like I did this morning, 3.5 hours, I only made about $4 an hour. But you know what? I'll take that. I worked from home. That's an extra 13 bucks that I did not have before. And I love getting the emails from Amazon Mechanical Turk telling me that I get a bonus every now and then for good work. Sometimes the bonus is 5 cents, 10 cents, even 20 cents. Doing something like this from the comfort of your own home can be a great way to make a little bit of extra pocket change or just extra money that you can use to save and invest or whatever it may be. But would I recommend doing 100 hits in a single day? No, definitely not. But if you're just watching TV or you have some time to kill Amazon Mechanical Turk might be something cool to check out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to check out the last Amazon Mechanical Turk video I did, where I spent 30 days devoting myself to this side hustle. And I'll see you guys next time.